Welcome back to my channel. This video covers the most important MCQs from the chapter Vector Algebra for your KCET examination. Do watch it, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe. Question number 1. In this question, we are given 3 vectors and they are said to be coplanar. Find the value of lambda. So we need to find the value of lambda. If the scalar triple product or the determinant of 3 vectors is 0, then the vectors are coplanar. So we'll write A dot B into C equal to, we'll write the components of the vectors. First, the components of the first vector is 2, minus 3 and 4. Components of the second vector 2, 1 and minus 1. Components of the third vector lambda, minus 1 and 2. On solving this, we get, let us take this as plus, this as minus, and this as plus. On solving this, we get 2 into 1 into 2 is 2, minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1, minus 3 into 2 into 2 is 4, minus lambda into minus 1 is minus lambda, plus 4 into 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, minus lambda into 1 is lambda. This is equal to 0. 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 into 2 is 2, plus 3 into 4 plus lambda. 4 into minus 2 is minus 8. 4 into minus lambda is minus 4 lambda equal to 0, or 2 plus 12 plus 3 lambda minus 8 minus 4 lambda equal to 0. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. Plus 3 lambda minus 4 lambda. So minus lambda equal to 0 or lambda equal to 6. So 6 is the right answer. Question number 2. The two vectors I vector plus j vector plus k vector and I vector plus 3j vector plus 5k vector represent the two sides AB and AC respectively of a triangle ABC. The length of the median through A is, given triangle ABC, A, B and C, and find the length of the median through A. So this is a median which divides this line segment at point D. We know that in a triangle the median divides the line segment equally. So this can be taken as M and this also can be taken as M. Now using the section formula, we can write vector AD equal to M into AC vector plus M into AB vector divided by M plus N. We can take M as common. AC vector plus AB vector divided by 2M. This M. So M cancels. We get AC vector plus AB vector divided by 2. Now we'll substitute the values of AC vector and AB vector. So AD vector equal to AC is I plus 3j plus 5k plus I plus j plus k vector divided by 2, which is equal to 1i plus 1i is 2i vector plus 3j plus 1j is 4j vector plus 5k plus 1k is 6k vector divided by 2. We can take 2 as common. So 2 into I vector plus 2j vector plus 3k vector divided by 2. So 2 cancels. So your AD vector equal to I vector plus 2j vector plus 3k vector. Now to find the length of the median, we need to take the magnitude of the vector AD, which is equal to root of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, which is equal to root of 14. So this is the correct answer. So A is the right answer. Question number 3. If A and B are unit vectors and theta is the angle between A and B, then sine theta by 2 is. So given A and B are unit vectors. So A vector equal to B vector is 1 because it is a unit vector. Now we have the formula A minus B whole square equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB. So using this formula, we can solve this. We know A and B are unit vectors. So this will be 1, this will be 1 minus 2 into scalar product of two vectors when theta is the angle made between the two vectors is given by A vector into B vector dot cos theta. We know the value of A and B, A vector and B vector, it is 1. So 1 into cos theta. So the dot product of A and B is cos theta. Substitute this here. So we get 1 plus 1 minus 2 into cos theta, which will become 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 minus 2 cos theta. Taking 2 outside, we get 1 minus cos theta. Now using the identity 1 minus cos theta equal to 2 sine square theta by 2. Substitute here. So we get 2 into 2 sine square theta by 2. 2 into 2 is 4. So 4 sine square theta by 2. A minus B whole square equal to 4 sine square theta by 2. So A minus B will become root of 4 sine square theta by 2. When we remove the root, it will become 2 sine theta by 2. Take this 2 to LHS. Now sine theta by 2 will become A minus B by 2. So D is the right answer, A minus B by 2. Question number 4. If A cross B vector the whole square plus A dot B vector the whole square equal to 144 and magnitude of A equal to 6, then magnitude of B vector is equal to. So what is given? A cross B whole square plus A dot B whole square equal to 144. And given magnitude of A equal to 6. Find the magnitude of B. So we know that the cross product of two vectors is given by magnitude of A into magnitude of B into sine theta, and dot product of two vectors equal to magnitude of A into magnitude of B into cos theta. Substitute this here, we get A cross B equal to A into B into sine theta the whole square plus A into B into cos theta the whole square equal to 144. This can be written as A square into B square into sine square theta plus A square into B square into cos square theta equal to 144. We know that sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Substituting sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, we get A square into magnitude of B square into 1 equal to 144. Now we know the value of magnitude of A is 6. So we can substitute here. So 6 square into B square equal to 144, or B square equal to 144 divided by 36. So B square equal to 4, B equal to root of 4, which is equal to 2. So 2 is the right answer, that is D. Question number 6. If the angle between A and B is 2 pi by 3 and the projection of A in the direction of B is minus 2, then magnitude of A equal to. So what is given here? Angle between vector A and vector B is 2 pi by 3. That is theta equal to 2 pi by 3. Projection of A in the direction of B is -2. Projection of A vector in the direction of B vector is -2. So the formula to find the projection of A in the direction of B is dot product of A into B divided by magnitude of B vector, which is equal to -2. So we know the cross product of A and B can be written as A dot B equal to magnitude of A into magnitude of B into cos theta. Substituting here, we get A vector into B vector into cos theta divided by B vector equal to -2. We can cancel this both. So what remains here is A vector into cos theta. Cos theta, theta is 2 pi by 3. Substitute here 2 pi by 3 equal to -2. Now this cos 2 pi by 3, when you convert it into degrees, it will be 2 pi by 3 into 180 by pi. So pi cancels, 3 ones are 3, 60s are 60 into 2, 120. So A vector into cos of 120 equal to -2. So cos 120, it comes in the second quadrant, where cos, we can write cos 120 as cos 90 plus 30. So in second quadrant, cos is negative. So cos of 30 is minus of, which is equal to -2, or A vector equal to minus cancels, A vector equal to 4. So this is the correct answer. Question number 7. If magnitude of A equal to 16 and magnitude of B equal to 4, then root of cross product of A into B whole square plus dot product of A and B whole square equal to. So what is given? We have magnitude of A equal to 16, magnitude of B equal to 4. So root of cross product of A into B the whole square plus dot product of A into B the whole square equal to. We know that cross product of vector A and B equal to magnitude of A into magnitude of B into sin theta, and dot product of vector A and B equal to A vector into B vector into cos theta. Substitute the values here. So we can write this as A cross B equal to A square into B square into sin square theta plus A square into B square into cos square theta. Here A square and B square are common, so we can take this outside. A square into B square. So here it is sin square theta plus cos square theta. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So substitute, we get root of A square into B square into 1, or when you remove the root, it will be A into B. We know the value of A and B, 16 into 4, which is equal to 64. So the right answer is C. Question number 8. A vector A makes equal acute angles on the coordinate axis. Then the projection of vector B on A vector is. So what is given? Vector A makes equal acute angles on the coordinate axis. So the angles are equal, that is cos alpha will be equal to cos beta equal to cos gamma. So we can replace beta and gamma by alpha. So we get cos square alpha plus cos square alpha equal to 1. 3 cos square alpha equal to 1, or cos alpha equal to 1 by root 3. So we got the vector A, that is nothing but 1 by root 3 I vector plus 1 by root 3 j vector plus 1 by root 3 k vector. Now the question is Projection of B vector on A vector. The formula to find the projection of B vector on A vector is dot product of B into A divided by magnitude of A. So we know A vector and B vector. Just multiply it and get the answer. 5 into 1 by root 3 is 5 by root 3. 7 into 1 by root 3 is 7 by root 3. Minus 1 into 1 by root 3 is minus 1 by root 3. Divided by root of root and square will get cancelled. So 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, which is equal to 11 by root 3 divided by root 1. Root 1 is nothing but 1. So the answer is 11 by root 3. So the correct answer is option B, 11 by root 3. Question number 9. The diagonals of a parallelogram are the vectors 3i plus 6j minus 2k and minus i minus 2j minus 8k. Then the length of the shorter side of the parallelogram is. Given the diagonals of the parallelogram, that is d1 equal to 3i vector plus 6j vector minus 2k vector, and d2 is minus I vector minus 2j vector minus 8k vector. Now to find the sides of the parallelogram, we can use the formula A vector equal to d1 plus d2 divided by 2, and B vector equal to d1 minus d2 divided by 2. Adding the vectors d1 and d2, we get 2i plus 6 minus 2 is plus 4j minus 2 minus 8 minus 10k divided by 2. So we can take 2 outside. So this will become I plus 2j minus 5k divided by 2. So 2 cancels. So A vector is I plus 2j minus 5k. Now let us find B vector. d1 minus d2. 3 minus of minus 1 is 3 plus 1, that is 4i vector, plus 6 minus of minus 2 is plus 2. 6 plus 2, 8. 8j vector minus 2 minus of minus 8 is plus 8. Minus 2 plus 8, it is plus 6k vector divided by 2. Again let us take 2 outside. So 2i vector plus 4j vector plus 3k vector divided by 2. So 2 will cancel. So B vector equal to 2i vector plus 4j vector plus 3k vector. Now let us find the magnitudes of A and B. So magnitude of A vector equal to root of 1 square plus 2 square plus 5 square. 1 square plus 2 square plus 5 square, which is equal to root of 30. Similarly, magnitude of B vector equal to root of 2 square plus 4 square plus 3 square. 2 square plus 4 square plus 3 square, which is equal to 4 plus 16 plus 9, that is root 29. So among root 30 and root 29 is the lesser value. So root 29 is the length of the shorter side of the parallelogram. So this is the right answer. Question number 10. If A vector dot B vector equal to 0 and A vector plus B vector makes an angle 60 degree with A vector, then what is A vector? So what is given here? Dot product of A and B is 0. That is vector A dot vector B equal to 0, and A plus B makes an angle 60 degree with vector A. So if you have two vectors here, one is A plus B and this is vector A, and this makes an angle 60 degree. So vector A plus B makes an angle 60 degree with vector A. So we know the formula for finding the angle between the two vectors. Cos theta equal to dot product of A into B divided by magnitude of A into magnitude of B. This is the formula that we use to find the angle between two vectors A and B. In this case, your A vector is nothing but A plus B vector, and your B vector is nothing but A vector. So we are finding the angle between the two vectors A plus B and A. Now substitute this in this formula, that is cos theta equal to your A vector is A plus B dot your B vector is A vector divided by magnitude of A, that means magnitude of A plus B, into magnitude of B means magnitude of A. Theta is 60 degree, so we can write cos 60 equal to A into A vector is A square plus A into B is A dot B divided by A plus B into magnitude of A. We know A into B vector is 0, so this will be 0. So cos 60 is half. So half equal to magnitude of A square, A dot B is 0 divided by A plus B into A vector. So we can cancel this and this. So what remains is, so we can write 2 into A equal to A plus B. Now let us square both sides, squaring LHS and RHS. So we get 4A square. 4A square equal to A plus B the whole square, or 4A square equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. A dot B again, it will become 0. So what remains is 4A square equal to A square plus B square. 4A square minus A square is 3A square. 3A square equal to B square. Now we can take root on both sides. Taking root on both sides, we get root 3A square equal to root B square, or root 3A equal to B. So option D is the right answer. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe.